I'm opening the floor to anyone who wants to wave a hand and say a final word, a final thought, an idea that you're taking with you. Oh, yes, Georg, I see you over there.
Yes, I want to say something. I just saw in the chat, Isabel is telling us, by the way, looking forward to see you all in Madrid in September 2021.
Yeah,
Thank
this time I can be there. It's really cheap traveling to Madrid. So no way I can go to Bangladesh or somewhere or Rwanda, but in Madrid I will sure be there.
And Isabel, we're happy to put you completely in charge if you'd like.
Well, don't trust me, because if so, I'm not a good manager. But yeah, I will try to help as much as possible.
We're with you. We're with you. Thank you for being with us. It's so great to meet you. It was great to